The most dangerous thing Apple can do is make their cheapest product their best one. For over a decade, the base iPad was the one you bought for your kids, your grandparents, or as a secondary screen for Netflix. It was the budget choice, the one with the older chips and the recycled designs. But as we sit here in 2026, something has shifted deep inside the labs at Cupertino. The walls between the Pro and the Basic are crumbling. The upcoming iPad 12th generation isn't just a refresh. It's a Trojan horse. It's a device designed to bring the most powerful AI in the world to the masses, and in doing so, it's about to make the $1,000 Pro models look like a very expensive mistake for 90% of users. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. If you're listening to this, you've felt the stagnation. You've seen the iPad Pro get thinner and more expensive while the software stayed stuck. But the iPad 12 is different. It's the first time Apple is being forced to put their most advanced silicon into their most affordable tablet, not because they want to, but because they have to. In a world of Apple intelligence, good enough is no longer an option. This is the story of the iPad 12, the silicon breakthrough that changed math, and why your next computer won't have a keyboard attached to it. Let's talk about the heart of this machine, the A18 chip. Now, for the tech-savvy among you, you know that the iPad 11 used the A16, a solid chip, but one that was left in the dust when the AI revolution hit. The iPad 12 is jumping straight into the deep end. We are looking at 8 gigabytes of RAM as the new floor. Why does that matter? Because 8 gigabytes is the golden ticket for Apple intelligence. Without it, you're locked out of the future. With it, the $349 iPad 12 becomes just as smart as the $1,200 iPhone 18 Pro. That parity is unprecedented in Apple's history. Think about what that means for the average American student or office worker. You are no longer buying a lesser experience. You are getting the full suite of writing tools, the generative image playground, and the revamped Siri that actually knows who you are and what you need. Apple is essentially subsidizing the AI revolution by putting this much power in an entry-level chassis. But why now? It's because the competition, Samsung, Google, and the rising tide of powerful Android tablets are finally offering AI features for free. Apple cannot afford to let the base iPad become a dumb device. But here is where the script gets interesting. Let's talk about the design compromises that Apple is keeping and why they might actually be a benefit. The iPad 12 is expected to keep the 11-inch Liquid Retina display. No, it's not OLED. No, it doesn't have promotion 120 Hz. But it's non-laminated. To the gearheads, that sounds like a negative. But for the millions of students in the US, a non-laminated screen means if you crack it, the repair cost is $100 instead of $400. It's the people's tablet. It's designed to be used, abused, and thrown into a backpack without a second thought. The chassis itself is sticking to that familiar, flat-edged aluminum look, but with a twist. The leaks suggest a new Midnight and Starlight color palette that mirrors the MacBook Air. It's a subtle psychological trick. Apple wants this to feel like a Mac Lite. They want you to see this device as a legitimate productivity tool.